Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm super excited to share my review of Middle 8, a stylish 5-star hotel in the heart of London. So let's dive right in. Located just a short walk from Holborn Station and within strolling distance of Covent Garden, Middle 8 boasts an unbeatable location, great for exploring London's iconic spots. Right from the entrance, you're greeted with a sophisticated, modern and stylish vibe. The Art Deco influences give it such a unique and inviting ambience. We booked the Urban Deluxe room and it did not disappoint. The room was spacious, spotless and had the most comfortable bed ever. Plus, there were so many thoughtful touches like USB sockets, a Nespresso machine, complimentary water and lovely glassware. The bathroom was equally impressive with quality shower gel, shampoo, conditioner and lotion. Breakfast was a delight. We opted for room service on our first morning and the service was wonderful. The food was delicious and the perfect way to start our day. And speaking of starting the day, Covent Garden is just a short walk away. It's such a vibrant area with lots of shops and restaurants. Definitely a must visit when you're staying here. To sum it up, Middle 8 boasts a prime location, stylish ambience and well-appointed rooms. Everything was so clean and comfortable, making it a great base for exploring London. Yes, it's on the pricier side, but so are most hotels in London. Thanks for watching, guys! If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more travel content and let me know in the comments if you'd stay at Middle 8. Until next time, happy travels!